Hi and welcome back. I'm GC and thank you for looking at the channel. And in this video what I'm going to do is just show you how to actually change the template. Now it's a bit of a follow-up from the last video because when we went to change the template, all I did was actually add a shopping cart to the template. And what I've been asked is, how would you just change it totally over to a new design? So like I say, if you're listening to this video and you don't know what I'm going on about, then what I would suggest you do is just go and have a look at the professional website template video, and then you can then come back to this one if that's what you want to do. So like I say, we uploaded this template, and also we added this block in as well. So what we'll need to do is go over to design again, and I went through the color palette and everything on the other video, and again, like I say, just have a look at that. And this is the template, and this is where the shopping cart part was added. So if we go over to website design, and like I say, you'll see the selection of different templates. You can click on any of these buttons. So let's say we're going to add a shopping cart, and again, you can preview it so you can actually look at it. Now, just because there's only 2 shopping cart templates in here, don't let that put you off, because you can just change them totally. So, you can change everything on these to how you would actually like your shopping cart template to actually look. But also there's lots of other things that work in the background that would probably be or be on par with most shopping carts on other hosting businesses. So this is a shopping cart we're going to add. So if I click install, and then this actual button comes up. Now, if we just switch that off, you can change other things within here as well. So all I did was turn that one off, and then if you turn these on, you can then say yes, install, and there you go. That will actually install the complete shopping cart template for you. So anyway, I know this is a quick video, but like I say, that's just answered a question that I was asked. And if you want to ask any other questions, either drop a comment in the bottom, and what I'll do is I'll leave links to the actual page where you can find your templates as well. And also, like I say, if you like to subscribe, and then what I can do is when other videos are uploaded, at least you'll get to know that they're available and you can come and watch them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.